everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing some beauty items and products that can be considered like hacks. So I have 3 different products that I've been seeing on like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram that I've just been dying to try. This will be my first time trying these products, so it's really kind of like a review to see if these items really work. And if they do work, then maybe you would want to try them. This is their Perfect Wing Eyeliner Stamp. So you've probably seen various of these going around the internet. It's basically eyeliner that you can stamp on the corner of your eye to get you that perfect wing. So we will try this to see if it really works and if it's worth even buying. So let me go ahead and open this up. So it looks like it comes with 2 different markers. So there is a marker for the right eye, and then there is a marker for the left eye. So that way you have a perfectly balanced wing on each eye. So I will go ahead and see if these babies really work. The marker has the stamp at the top here. So you can kind of see what the wing looks like. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see that. Kind of has the wing. And then on the bottom of the marker is the actual liner marker so that you can connect the wing to the rest of your eyelid with the eyeliner. So let's try it. I'm so curious to see if this is gonna work. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but it did give me a pretty even wing. So now I'm going to use the bottom of the marker to connect the wing to the rest of my eyelid. See this here? This is a really fat marker. I'm not used to using a fat marker like this, but let's see what I can do with it. Not bad. I think it works pretty well. If you're someone who just has not perfected the art of doing a wing liner, this will definitely help. So this is for the left eye, so we'll try that. This one doesn't look as pointy as the other one, but let's see if I can make it work. Right, so we have our wing liner. Not bad. I mean, I definitely think this is worth it if you want to try it, or like I said, if you are someone who just cannot get the perfect wing or cat eyeliner or whatever you want to call it, this would definitely be a good product to use for that. So the next beauty hack I'm going to try now to complete our look is magnetic eyelashes. Now I am not good at doing my own false eyelashes. If you look at any of my makeup videos that I've put on YouTube, you will hardly see me with any eyelash falsies on because I do not know how to put them on to save my life. I have spent money on eyelash extensions, so that's been the most that I've done eyelash extensions is I'll pay for them for someone to do them for me, but we know that can get expensive, so I am going to try these magnetic eyelashes to see if they work. So the ones I bought, I just found them on Amazon. The company is called Mega Volume. So this is what I purchased on Amazon. So these are the ones that come with the eyeliner that you put on first, and then you put the magnetic eyelashes on top of the eyeliner for it to connect. So let's see how this works. Lord, I cannot get this thing open. All right. All right, so here it kind of gives you a step-by-step on how to use this. So you put the eyeliner on first, and then you put the magnetic eyelashes on. Well, it's very pretty packaging. So this is the package. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. So this is the packaging. It comes with a, this is actually a waterproof magnetic eyeliner. It comes with tweezers, and then it comes with 2 sets of lashes. I'm not sure if this set has a specific name for the lashes, but these are the falsies. They're pretty. So we're gonna try and see if this works. Just wanna look at this eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner. It's very, and I'm just gonna put this over the eyeliner that I did. This is pretty skinny applicator to where I can probably just put it right on top, and then we can try the lashes. Let's start, of course, with the right eye. See if I can. So I'm basically going to just put this over the eyeliner that I already did. Not sure you have to put a certain amount on, but just gonna make sure it's all over here. Oh, y'all see that? I just got a spot. We're just gonna ignore that. All right, eyeliner is on. So now I'm going to take the first set off. So if you just kind of want to see, these lashes have magnets on them. So you can kind of see the magnets that they have on there. They should be able to just connect to the eyeliner that we just put on. So let's see. Let's see if this works. Very curious on if I'll be able to do this. All right, that was a little bit of a fail. Maybe I'll try it with the tweezers, but. All right, well, it looks like they are sticking so far. What do you guys think? These are actually very pretty. They seem pretty secure for the most part. Like, I'm very curious to see how this would last over time. Like if I go to a party or like an event or something like that where I'm going to be wearing them all night. But so far they're actually really, really pretty, and they seem to be pretty secure for the most part. So let's try the other eye. So we'll do eyeliner again on the left eye. Just gonna put a little bit more on. All right, so here's the, oh, I cannot do this. See, this is why I struggle. I'm even struggling with my magnetic lashes. Let's see if I do it this way. I cannot put on eyelashes to save my life. Oh no, look, I got it there. Let's see if I can fix that. I don't know, guys. What do you think? All right, and we're back. I just wanted to fix my eyeshadow that got messed up, but what do you guys think? Like, I can't really tell. You all may have to tell me in the comments if these look a hot mess, but what do you think? I mean, they're really pretty from afar, but close up, I'm not sure if somebody will call me out for how raggedy they look. So y'all let me know how they look. But from afar, they actually look pretty decent. I can't say how secure they are, but I think if you're looking for something temporary, just for like a quick event, these would definitely work. Okay, moving on to the last hack. So I recently purchased this face halo. These are the makeup remover little scrubs that only require water. I don't know how that's possible, but I am dying to try to see if these really work. So again, these are from Face Halo. People are actually really starting to use these because they are environmentally friendly. Instead of throwing a whole bunch of makeup wipes away, these are actually reusable. So this gives step-by-step. All you do is add water, rub it on your face, and it is reusable. Down here it does say that you can use this up to 200 times before you have to replace it, which is pretty amazing. So you get 3, and just think you can keep using one over and over and over a lot before you even have to replace and start using another one. So that's really good, very eco-friendly, so that's exciting to kind of save the earth that's dying right now. So let's just jump right into it. So I will take these eyelashes off so we can see if these really work. All right, so eyelashes are off. I want to kind of put my hair back. I wish I would have brought something to put my hair back, but I did not. So that's okay. All right, so we're gonna try one. Let's see, so I have a little bit of water here in my bowl. There's some water in there. So I'm just going to, I wonder if it says how much water. Just add water, cold or warm water. The water loosens your makeup, allowing the Halo Tech fiber strands, which are 100 times finer than human hair, to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap makeup. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. So the makeup is coming off. I'm curious to see how this will work on where my eye makeup is, but we'll just keep going here. I mean, it does look like it's coming off. I'm gonna use this side that doesn't have anything on it to see how it takes my eye makeup off. So here we go. All right, not bad. First round to go. Take my eye. So I wish I had mascara on because I would love to see how this would work with getting my mascara off, but I'm not wearing any, but it is taking off my other eye makeup. I mean, look at that. If anything, there's still a little bit of eyeliner on my waterline, but I mean, that's hard to get off with, even with makeup wipes. But I'm just gonna keep going here. See how much of this I can really get up. I don't know why I keep my mouth open like that. That's annoying and embarrassing, but this is real stuff. I wanna just kind of compare one side to the other side. All right, so I've taken one side of my face, the makeup off, if you can tell. And it has pretty much taken off all of the makeup. Like I said, there's just a little bit of water eyeliner from my waterline. Try this side. Let's see how it does with my lipstick, this matte lipstick. Wow, I actually am very impressed on how this gets matte lipstick off. It is pretty much off. No oil. Wow. That is actually pretty impressive. I don't know if you all have ever tried to get matte lipstick off without any baby oil or baby wipes, but it is very hard to do. But my lipstick is completely gone. That's crazy. So now let's try this eye. This is crazy. This is actually really, really cool. The fact that before I go to bed at night or before I wash my face, all I have to do is wet this with some water and it comes off. That's kind of crazy to me, honestly. Just took up all my makeup with this little, see that? This is all the makeup I just had on. That is pretty impressive. I think out of all the 3 products that I used today, that's my favorite one. That makes taking makeup off very, very easy without using any like harsh chemicals or things for, especially if you have sensitive skin, all you have to do is put water on this thing and take your makeup off. I mean, that's kind of a dream if you have sensitive skin or skin that gets irritated really easily. So I am a fan of this. Good job, Face Halo. That's all the beauty hacks I have for today. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.